How to send documents in Gmail. So I'm going to show you how you can send the image, PDF, documents using the Gmail. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start the video. Okay, just come to your browser and just log in with your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account, guys. Okay, for new, if you want to send the documents like PDF, image, or any other file like Excel, then you can send from Gmail. So you can send it. So just go to the compose here, the new email. Okay, so this is new email window will be open like this. I just maximize it, this window. This is my window. You can maximize or minimize from here. Okay, this is the icon. Now here you need to say, type that receiver email ID or recipient. So what you can do, just type with initials. So here, if you have email ID on your account, contact details, so you can view like this. You need to select like this. Okay, and if you want to, if you are first time entering the new email ID, then just enter the like this. Okay, so you can write multiple email ID if you want. If you want to send the documents to your colleagues, friends, you can write the multiple email ID here. Okay, now start with your email. So you can start with hello or whatever. Okay, here you need to write your body, here your signature. Okay, and here if you want to add documents, so here you can see the option called attachment, links. Here the emojis you can insert. Here the Google Drive, you can insert the file from your Google Drive, and you can insert the image on body. Okay, if you want to insert image in the body, you can insert from here. So first is very important, attachment file. Just click on it. Okay, once you click, you can see your file manager. Your device, computer or laptop file manager will be open. From here you can search for your document which you want to attach. So I just select this one and just go to the open. It will be start attach here. Okay, and here the links. Okay, if you click on links, here you need to insert the text of these links, and here the links. Okay, this link could be your Google Drive links or YouTube links or any other links. You can just apply the links. I just type that YouTube link, for example, normal YouTube link here. Here the text, where text will be shown in blue. There the text, and this is a link. The person can click on it, and it will be go to the then link source. Okay, link destination, whatever. Oh, okay. And another, the Google Drive, just click on Google Drive. So Google Drive will be open. So here, okay, so in recent you can see the what recent open file in Google Drive. Here the all your Google Drive file you can see. You can search from here. Okay, if particular file you want to search, you can search from here and select that file and just go to the add as a link. Okay, this will be add as a link. So once someone click on it, the link file will be open like this. So you need to keep the cursor where you want to insert the link. If you want to insert the link here, keep the cursor here, go to the Google Drive, add that file. Okay, and just add the link, or you can also add as an attachment. So it will be attached as a original file like this here. And if you want to attach as a link, so it will be attached as a link, but this link should be as a public access. Okay, if your the file in Google Drive don't have access, public access, then it won't be open. The people need to access request, send the access request to you, then it will be open. Okay, so I suggest you attach as a file. Okay, and here image, you can insert directly image from your device. It will be insert on body, and from here you can attach the image. Now just send it. After send, the email will be sent to recipient, and now you are done with new document, done with your sent documents from Gmail. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.